How to turn off camera on TikTok Live. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you some steps to turn off camera on TikTok Live. So first, you need to make sure that you have installed the latest version of TikTok application on your mobile device. To ensure that, go ahead, open your Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok application, and if you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and update it to its latest version. Open TikTok, tap on the plus button, the same button you use to post videos, and at the bottom of the screen there will be the swipe to the live option. Go ahead and tap on that, and before you start your live stream, find the Go Live options. These are usually shown as icons above the Go Live button. You should see options like camera, multicast, or live voice, cast, or share camera. You can also switch to device camera and select live voice. You need to first get the access and select live voice, where you do not need to open your camera, but you can go live and just voice chat. This will let you live stream without using your camera. Instead, your profile picture will be shown. So go ahead and tap on Go Live option and start streaming with only audio. So if you've already started a live stream with a video and you cannot turn the camera off while it's running, you will need to end the live stream and start a new one in voice live mode. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.